Hello everyone, welcome to another monthly craft club video. My name is Lena and I am from the Sun City Library. Today we are making felt envelopes. The materials needed for this project are listed down below and can be also found in the description box. Okay, let's start. First, cut your felt sheet into a rectangle. You'd want one side to be twice as long as the other side. For this envelope, I've used a measurement of 8 inches by 4 inches. Thread your needle and tie off the end. Be careful not to poke yourself. Fold the felt sheet lengthwise, also known as hot dog style. Cut the top at an angle with the top of the center of the sheet pointing up to make the flap. Test the dimensions of your envelope by folding up the bottom. You can use pins to hold the envelope in place, or you can very carefully use paper clips. Select a corner to start your running stitch. Here, I inserted my needle in between the felt and poked it down. Tuck the tail in. Poke the needle back up near where you first pushed your needle down. Pull the thread to make your first stitch. Poke your needle down again, a little distance away from the first stitch. Repeat this process throughout the envelope. To save time, I pinched the fabric a little bit and insert the needle sideways, but be warned that this may make the stitches uneven. When you get to the end of the stitch, carefully catch a thread and double knot it. After you tie the knot, weave the thread through the other stitches and pull. When you see that it is secure, cut the thread, but make sure not to cut the knot or the stitch because it will unravel. Here is what your threaded envelope may look like. Place down your button. Make sure that it is right below the top flap of the envelope. Once you have the button's placement, sew it on. Be careful not to sew the two pieces of fabric together. Poke the needle up from inside the envelope. It is important to make sure that the button is secure, so make sure to stitch it up a few times. Once done, catch a stitch on the inside, tie it off, and cut the excess. Cover the button with a flap, and very carefully, so you do not cut the thread or damage the button, pinch the fabric and cut a line above the button. Make sure that the button can fit. Test out the button to see if you can comfortably close it. You can use a scrap piece of felt for the back. Here I am cutting a heart. You can stitch on the heart, or you can glue it like I am doing here. And there you go, everyone. Well done. Here are what your envelopes may look like. I hope you liked this video. Consider following our social media to see more projects and programs. Our monthly craft club is hosted at the Sun City Library. Due to social distancing, crafts will be in take-home kits and meetings will be held over Zoom. More information can be found below or in the description box. We hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!